Welcome to our journey through the present simple tense. The present simple tense is used to describe habitual actions and general truths. For example, I brush my teeth every day, and I eat breakfast every morning. These are both habits. It also describes general truths, like, the sun rises in the east. To form the present simple, use the base verb. For he, she, and it, add s or es. In affirmative sentences, like, she walks to school, simply add s to the verb. Or, they walk to school, simply add the base verb. For negative sentences, use do not or does not with the base verb. For example, I don't play soccer, or he doesn't like ice cream. To ask questions, start with do or does, followed by the subject and base verb. For example, do you like pizza? Or does she play guitar? Answer with yes or no, followed by the subject and do or doesn't. Great job! Now you know how to use the present simple tense. Keep practicing.
If you have found this video helpful, then remember to like, comment and subscribe for more videos on British language terms.